You need to hear this if you're a lab technician or scientist. If your pH readings look wonky, you might need a calibration. Here's how to fix it fast. First, grab your pH meter and make sure it's clean. Rinse the electrode with distilled water and gently blot it dry with a soft tissue. Now let's talk calibration. You'll need two buffer solutions, usually pH 4 and pH 7. Start by turning on your pH meter and placing the electrode in the pH 7 buffer solution. Wait for the reading to stabilize, then press the calibrate button. Once that's done, rinse the electrode again and dip it into the pH 4 solution. Wait for the reading to stabilize, then press calibrate once more. Boom, your pH meter is now calibrated. To use it, just rinse the electrode, dip it into your sample, and wait for the reading to stabilize. Remember, always store your electrode in a storage solution to keep it in tip-top shape. And that's how you use and calibrate your pH meter like a pro. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Happy measuring!